Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mobile Tech World. So Apple released iOS 26.0.1 after iOS 26 officially released into market. Let's talk about the new features or bug fixes in iOS 26.0.1. This is an important bug fix and security updates. The connectivity issue when you are connecting to Wi-Fi, it occasionally disconnects. That issue they fixed in this release, and it disconnects the cellular network sometimes for a small amount of users. That issue is fixed. One more issue fixed is the voiceover issue. For few users, the voiceover option is disabled. They are not able to on the voiceover option. So that issue also fixed in this release. And one more issue they fixed is when the app icons are disappearing, more specifically when you are on selecting a clear or tinted options on customization. So this issue also fixed in 26.0.1. So as you see, when user selects clear option, and if you scroll, I mean if you open or if you navigate to different screens, so sometimes the app icons are disappearing. You see, when you select tinted option, you can clearly see that the app icon is disappeared. So select tinted and change some color options. One more issue fixed here is when we are taking a photos with uh, different l- lighting conditions, users are observed different artifacts in the photos. This is mostly on the iPhone 17, and this issue also fixed in this release iOS 26.0.1. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Mobile Tech World. Thank you.